to you. The birds are chirping. Y'all, I'm doing my makeup in the car. My VLOGMAS got fucked up, y'all. I don't know what the fuck happened, but I got confused. So I kind of skipped the day, but didn't mean to skip a day. I thought I was on track, but I wasn't. So it's VLOGMAS Day 18. I'm actually at the hospital right now, waiting for Juju to come out. And I gotta go to work. I got a meeting today at 15, but I forgot my work phone at home, so I have no access to the computer. So I gotta go. I gotta wait until after lunch to go to the Warrior Zone because they don't open until 12. I think it's 12 or 13 to use the computer because I still don't have that. I'm gonna check to see if I got access yet. But Jesus Christ. But today I got my hair done. Oh yeah, here's the hair. It's like a little bob. It stops like right here, ginger bob. I had to grow me because it's not what I want. I wanted it short, like I had the other hair. It was like right here. It stopped like right here. That's how I wanted it. But maybe my hair's too long. I don't know. But I wanted a short little bob. But they gave me like shoulder length hair. So yeah, I gotta grow me right now. But I'll show y'all later when it's down how it looks. But yeah, I'm doing my makeup because I want my eyebrows to match my hair. Type shit, because I got a meeting in the generals is gonna be in there, so it's gonna take about an hour, some change. But yeah, just wanted to make an intro to the vloggy vlog because I don't know what the hell happened. I thought I was ahead. I don't know how I got behind. So yeah, I had fun this weekend overall. A lot happened, but I mean, I still enjoyed myself. We go out of town on Saturday, so that's exciting. So that's why I got my hair done, because we're going out of town on Saturday. I'm taking my camera and stuff with me so I can vlog day to day there. But yeah, spending Christmas out of town. I haven't packed nothing. I don't even know what I didn't even shop for this trip at all, so I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna wear. But today I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I gotta figure out at least what I know. I got bathing suits for days because I didn't wear half of my bathing suits that I bought for Africa and Greece. But I don't really got that too many clothes. But I don't know what we're gonna be doing this time. So I'm not too pressed. That's why I kind of didn't OD. I'm planning on being by the water a lot. So, but yeah. That's pretty much it for this morning. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do this little face real quick and we gonna get the day started. But yeah, like I said, my hair gotta grow on me because I don't know if I like it. I've never got braids medium length before, so I think that's why it gotta grow on me because I'm like, what the fuck is this? But we gonna rock with it. I mean, I don't got no choice now. I gotta just figure out how to style it pretty much. I don't know if I think I came back after I was doing my makeup today in the car, but I never came back. But today is Thursday. Is it Thursday or Wednesday? Today's Thursday, December 19th. So I have to combine these two vlogs together because I fucked up over the weekend and now is this broken? I fucked up over the weekend, so now I'm just all kind of discombobulated or whatever. So we're about to go to the PX to get some edge control because I have to pack my bags. I want to pack today. Tomorrow, we actually have an issue with the flight because I had bought the flights or whatever. I didn't know, like, the kid, like, if you're under a certain age, you have to be flying with somebody. Like, you can't fly unaccompanied minor. I don't know why I thought you could just be unaccompanied minor. So when I bought the flights, I bought everybody separately because they were trying to charge us extra for the flight or whatever. So I bought them individually. But yeah, so we gotta go to the airport tomorrow to see if we can figure out how we're gonna finesse, which I feel like it shouldn't be a problem because we're all going. The mother and the child are gonna be together. We just gotta fix the birthday on the flight. So hopefully it works out. Hopefully it don't give us a super hard time. At the end of the day, the flight is booked. The parent is coming. Whatever, neither here nor there. So I need to go to I need to go to the PX some edge control. I need some braid and lock, whatever they be using to do that, because it be sticking it down real good. Then I gotta go to my room and I need to find some stuff, because I actually didn't know shopping for this trip. This is the only trip I've ever been on that I didn't know shopping for. So I'm just gonna go put some outfits together in my room. I'm sure I got some stuff I ain't wore before. Go put my outfits together. So we're leaving Saturday morning at 7:35 is our flight. So we're gonna be up super early. Like, we gotta get to the airport at like 5 something. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get our nails and our toes done and go to the airport to figure it out. What we should really do is fucking find a hotel that's close to the airport and just stay there. I might suggest that, because it literally makes no sense for us to come all the way home to go all the way back if we're already gonna be go that way. But did I ever show y'all this cute little picture of me and Tequila? R.I.P. my baby girl, love her down. But yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. It's about 4 o'clock. Nobody's in the building, so I'm about to go. Oh, I need to do that thing on my work phone real quick. I need to send my leave form. Everybody talking about they don't want a work phone or government phone. The government phone come in clutch, because you can check your emails. You cannot be at work on Teams meetings. Like, actually clutch. So I love this thing. Oh God, like, hello, yeah, I'm or on Teams, just face. Make sure I got a white background. I can log into my Ipsy. I can send emails. I can check my email. Like, actually clutch as fuck. But yeah, I'm about to send my leave form to myself. I need to call a taxi because I'm not walking. Let me see. If y'all haven't, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like, I need to get to 100K. For whatever reason, I'm losing subscribers. I don't know why I don't fuck with that. So if you're watching this video and you watch me consecutively and you're not subscribed, baby, what is you doing? Click the subscribe button, like, now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Something, give me a like, a thumbs up, give me, comment down, something. Give me something. You just write a letter. You really need to gotta talk for real. Just give me something. Engage in my content, because your girl is getting discouraged, and I'm trying not to. I'm trying my hardest not to. Just locking like I did before, but like, it's just like I sometimes just want to quit. Like, stop. Trying. Just stop. But if you stop, then you never know how far you can go. Remember that. So this is giving me a hard time. Why is this not working? Come on. Call me a taxi to the PX. But yeah, so we finna do that. We finna go to the store. So let's blow this popsicle stand. Bitch, it is cold as a motherfucker outside. Y'all just walk back from the commissary, from the PX to my room. Bitch, it's cold. So now we back in the room. We trying to figure out some clothes to wear, because I ain't go shopping for this trip at all. I ain't even been in this room for real either. So we just gonna go through some stuff and see if I can figure out some outfits to wear. We're off tomorrow, so today's officially my last day of work. Woo. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting next couple of days. And I am taking y'all with me on vacation, so y'all will be spending Christmas out the country with me. And we're already out the country, but out the country some more. What's this? Skirt? Whew, yeah, I'm so cold. Back, I didn't show y'all my clothes, but I'm actually packing today, so I didn't show y'all what I actually put together, but it's still kind of up in the air and crazy Cause, child, I did not prepare for this trip at all. I didn't do no shopping. I don't know if I didn't think we wasn't going for real or what, but I didn't really pack. I mean, I didn't really do anything. So
All them clothes you got in there.
I got clothes, but they're not like hot clothes. This type of hot. And a lot of my clothes got lost in that luggage, so I went in there. I went through some stuff to figure it out, but I went through everything. So I got a little bit of stuff, but we gonna try to put some stuff together and make it. But as far as like Hawaii vacation type of clothes, no. It's just like regular summer clothes. But we got a dilemma, but God gonna get us through. I think I told y'all yesterday, actually. Yeah, I did tell y'all, but we gonna see we go to the airport later today. So it's supposed to be a surprise, but you said we not gonna say nothing until we get there for real, or when we go there to check the ticket.
Attention.
We gonna be like, why are we at the airport?
Pay attention.
Like, because we going to Seoul.
I'm like, why we taking that boy? Like, why the hell we taking the train?
We taking an hour flight to Seoul because we don't want to drive.
But we drove all the way to the airport.
But yeah, y'all hate my hair. I'm trying to act like I like it, but it's just not giving for me. This is not what I wanted. This is entirely too long for this. I wanted to stop like right here. I'm up. But actually, I could show y'all how I wanted it.
I'm gonna follow the GPS today.
Oh Lord,
Maybe we'll learn something.
this is how I wanted my hair. Only thing that's saving. And yesterday I uploaded a video from my old memory card, and I was looking at it like, I remember that time in my life. It was a bad time. Look, this is how I wanted my hair. This is not the same at all. It's like, I don't know. This is wavy, and this is like super fucking curly. But yeah, this don't look the same at all. But this is how I want the difference. Kind of like how I had my hair when I was in Vietnam, when I had the blonde. But the color is cute.
Come on,
I feel like it's gonna look better. Is that racist?
No, Jordan. Let me tell you what Jordan said the other day. We was at the defect. That motherfucker called this man Ricky Tan.
I don't know who this is.
From Rush Hour.
Oh.
I said, yo, let Ricky Tan go out there and get whatever he wants.
But yeah, so we're headed to get our nails done. Toes done with my lashes. Hopefully after my lashes I feel better, because right now it's not giving. I don't really care for it. I like the side. I like the side, because I'm like trying to imagine if this was like a curly wig. Like, wow, do I make it a little less fluffy? That's what it is. I think I don't like the volume of it, but I feel like in a baby suit, in a picture, it'll be cute. But we'll see. What you looking at?
Boy, I will put this hoe in reverse.
I'm screaming.
Why you hung? He literally was finna run right out into traffic. Oh, God.
You gonna try it?
I swear. That's why people hate coming to our house.
Yeah, you got us going through the back roads, y'all.
Like, what is wrong with ways?
We made it to the Ville, y'all. We in this iPhone store. Ooh, step. Ooh, so like cigarettes, 16 what?
16 right?
Damn, that bitch is in. Gotta be. Let me say 16. Oh, that's a pro.
You have 16?
Right here. Face. Let's Dragon Ball Z. Think you like that one?
Well, the Spider-Man.
Oh, yeah.
But I want a, good case for this.
I think that's a good one because it's squishy. Is that a squishy one? Because mine, I be dropping the fuck out of my phone.
Okay.
It's a squishy one? Can't see the front. Yeah, I think got this little rubber on it that is good.
This should be good.
What about, they got the, do you have AirPod holders? AirPods? Case? Not Pro.
3 Gen.
Oh, okay. Yes, thank you. We just got some phone cases and an earpod case for somebody's birthday present. I mean, Christmas present. You know what I meant. Shut up. What? them sweatsuits? Hopefully there's nobody in here. It's still pretty early, but it is lunchtime. But Osanville got like more shopping stuff compared to Humphreysville. Got more like food stuff. So they got Nike, all these little Style Labs, Showbox. What? Clothes? What, Humphreys? They even got Olive Young in here. It's so crazy because like literally in the Ville, it's nothing but clubs on top of clubs on top of clubs on top of clubs. Like it's like 30,000 clubs out here, literally, and they all be jumping. That's how many people it is. My nails and my toes is done. Y'all got my lashes done, and I hate them because they're fucking straight. Somebody please tell me what curl I need to be asking for, because my curls is straight as fuck. Like I need them to be like curly. So what kind of curl should I be asking for? Because they're straight as fuck. Like I don't like them. I know when I go to sleep they'll probably push up when I fall asleep, but I feel like when I get done I want them to be good at first. I never seen that before. This must be new. That shop must be new. We dropping Bella off at the doggy hotel. Up to dog hotel. Hello. Hello. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye, Bella. Bye bye. Bye. He got long now. He got hair. Hair growing. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
So yeah, I just dropped my son off. Yeah, he been there before. It's like a dog hotel, and they take pictures of him every day. It's like a lot of dogs that they play and stuff. So I'm not sad or nothing. He went there for when I went for my birthday. So he's at the little doggy hotel for our little week away. It costs $175 won, so that's like $155 for him to stay for 7 days. So not bad. But yeah, so now we're going back to the house. I gotta pack and I have to edit before I leave the house today. So I'm gonna call you back when we get back to the house. Officially packed, and this is gonna be the end of tonight's vlog, and I'll see y'all tomorrow because this is it. That's all I got in me. I'm gonna fuck with you.